hope you're doing well. In this video we are making a zine. I thought that would be a fun little activity for us to do together. I used to make zines all of the time when I was younger and I haven't done one in a while. At the weekend I went to the library and I printed out some photos that I wanted to include in my zine. I would recommend perhaps picking a theme for your zine just so that it's cohesive, but you don't have to. It can be whatever. It's just a bit of fun really at the end of the day. Let's start cutting up these photos. So you might have noticed that these are all photos from various places around the world. They're travel themed, and that's something I would actually like to talk about in this video. For a long time I've been contemplating like where I'm going with my channel, what I'm doing. It's something that's been on my mind a lot. I don't have one specific thing that's what I do and that's what I'm good at. And I also don't have the enthusiasm to do it. Like, for example, I've done a lot of crochet videos recently, but I actually haven't done any crochet in a while. I just go through phases of like different hobbies and different interests. There's not one specific thing that I'm like, yes, I could make videos on that endlessly and not get bored. I don't want to stick specifically to crochet or specifically to painting or making jewellery or anything. I'll stop swinging the scissors around. I just want to do all that stuff and enjoy it. Just going to do like a mixture of videos documenting my life, documenting my interests and that sort of thing. This is also based on the fact that what I want to do more than anything is travel. I love going on adventures, I love traveling, I love seeing new places, and I just want to share that a little bit more through my content. One page down, one to go. Some of the photos that I've got is of places that I want to visit. There's a few photos of like Southeast Asia. This is Australia. What have we got? Yeah, Iceland, some scuba diving. This is Halong Bay in Vietnam. So here's a quick fire zine making tutorial. Have the long side of the paper facing towards you and fold it in half. Then turn it around and fold in half again. And once more. So once you unfold the paper and fold it back up again, I don't know why I did that, you can cut half the line in the middle, if that makes sense. I'm sorry, this is terrible voiceover. But then sort of find the best way to fold it back into a little booklet, and I always find that numbering the pages helps keep me on track and I can make sure that everything is the right way around. For the first page I'm going with this old paper looking print, and I've just cut it out to the size of the page, so I'm going to use that as the cover, and then I'm going to use some like letters and stuff to decorate it as well. So I've made the first page. Look how cute it is. I've decided that I want my zine to have the title, but I want to travel, and sort of the theme around it is me wanting to travel but feeling like I can't really, because that's how I've been feeling recently, not gonna lie. And I'm just going to include photos of places I want to go to and things I want to do, things I want to see. On this page I'm sort of doing like a little bit of an intro. I sort of want it to have a story to it. I sort of want this little booklet to reflect how I'm feeling at the moment. So how are you feeling, you may ask? I am feeling overwhelmed. I feel like there's so much that I want to do. Well, I feel like there's so much that I have to do, so much that I have to be thinking about, stuff like work and accommodation, being an adult, bills, money, this, that and the other. But all I want to do is to travel. I feel like I've been a broken record this past year, so I do apologise to friends and family. I feel like all I've been saying is I don't understand why we have to work. I don't understand why this, why that. I just want to vibe. I still feel like that, and I sort of want to make this little booklet to reflect that, and then I can look back on it as well. What would I like to do? I would absolutely love to travel, if you haven't gathered by this video, and I want that to be reflected more in my videos in general, just like sort of my aspirations and just the things that I want to do. I feel at the moment there's a lot of pressure on building a career, and right now, I'm gonna be honest, a career is not what motivates me. I'm just, maybe I'll change my mind in the future, who knows, but right now my priority is seeing the world, you know. I just want to see what's out there. I want to do things that make me uncomfortable, and I want to experience new cultures. I want to see nature. I think a lot of people feel like this, but I feel trapped in everyday life, and I want to escape. I want to escape it. I want to do something different. I'm really happy with this. I'm happy with how this is going. I don't want to jinx it. I'm struggling. I'm sort of trying to do a collage here. Okay, I'm just about to do the last page now. I'm really happy with how this is going. Gonna use some washi tape. I'm gonna do a flip through afterwards and show you what I've done. I'm so happy with this. Okay, time for the big reveal. Okay, so this is it. How cool is this? So it's called But I Want to Travel. And you open it up on the first page, and I've got a bit of text here, and I say, it seems like there's always so much to think about, and then I've done like a little to-do list, like work, accommodation, money, paying the bills, doing whatever being an adult means. But I want to travel, and I've got like these little cute stickers and stuff. And then on the next page I've got this train ticket, a picture of these elephants, and a picture of someone scuba diving. I want more train tickets. I want to explore, I want to learn, I want to experience, I want to leave my comfort zone. This feels so deep. And then the next page is a collage of places that I want to visit and places I want to go to. They're not the only places I want to go to, but they're pretty high up there on the list. And then on the back I've written this so it looks like a little note, and I've put, I guess I never understood why we focus on arbitrary things like work and money when we can just exist. I need to work, but I want to travel. I'm really proud of this. I think this is exactly how I feel right now in a little booklet. I would definitely recommend this as a little activity. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Have you ever made a zine, and do you like making zines? Are you going to make a zine after watching this video? Did you make a zine whilst I was making my zine? I absolutely love them. I missed making them so much. This might be the push I needed to get back into making them. If you would like to see some more content from me, I've got my Snowdonia vlog up here, or I've got this video where I tried out Pinterest DIYs. So depending if you want to see more creative or more travel, take your pick.